Continental Airlines cannot do an investigation into their pilots' so-called sham divorces. Now, they have this pension program where if a pilot divorces his or her spouse, that divorced spouse will get a lump sum of the pilot's pension. And it works that way in some states, right? Now, what's happening? Some pilots are allegedly having these sham divorces so their spouses can collect this pension money, and then they really stay together.
Oh, drums!
Drums.
Oh, I can't believe I just said it at the same time as her.
See?
Oh my God.
You like it. He likes
I mean, why don't I just do the Marcus Bachmann way while I'm at it? Okay.
You sit up a little too when you say drums. Drums!
Drums! All right, anyway.
Okay.
Why don't I just hang out shirtless with a Cuban missionary? Okay, anyway, yes.
Anyway, so Continental Airlines actually took this case to court because, by the way, they actually paid out $10 million to $11 million in pension distributions to these pilots. Okay, so it's a significant amount of money. Now, they took this situation to court, and even though they took it all the way to an appeals court, federal appeals court, the appeals court has decided that no, Continental Airlines cannot do an investigation into their pilots or into the pilot's divorce. It's unethical,
Why?
It's wrong. Because privacy issues, you're not allowed to do an investigation into your employer's personal life, which I understand, but at the same time, if this is something that's seriously a problem for the company and they're losing $10 to $11 million because of something that people are doing that's illegal, then there needs to be something to protect the company. And you know me, I'm not someone who's like, protect the corporations.
No. Miss Corporate America here. I know how she rolls. Oh, if it's a corporation, Anna's on their side. All right, no, seriously, they're an evil corporation. End of the question. The pilots are right. Sorry. Okay, no, I'm kidding. Look,
but this is going to, hold on, one more thing. This is going to be problematic for other pilots. And because if these abuses continue, okay, or these alleged abuses, I should say, what Continental Airlines will do is they'll take away their own pension program and they'll have the federal government take care of it for them.
That's disastrous. But that's why you can't abuse the system. So my ruling on it, which of course will override whatever legal system that there was in that case, is that, look, if they're getting the actual divorce, right, so that they can collect the pension, but that they're still living together, well, then you got to give it to them. They went through the legal proceedings, and if they're that balls to the wall on getting that pension money, okay, that's life, right? But if they didn't actually get divorced and it's a scam, well, of course you got to let the company look into that. And you know me, I'm the last person on earth that wants a private corporation snooping into our, I should say a public corporation snooping into our private lives. But, I mean, that doesn't mean you're allowed to run scams on companies. I think that's crazy talk.
Right. And to be fair, I don't know if this is being fair, but these pilots did get divorces, like legal divorces.
All right, well, then I'm letting them go.
But they stayed together.
No, I made my ruling very clear, okay? If they got the actual legal divorce, I pardon you.
I don't.
You don't?
If you're living together,
hang judge, always.
If you're living together and there is evidence that you're living together and you basically did, I mean, it's obvious that you did it. So
but then you're going to get into this. Oh, but okay, look, you're technically divorced, but you're still living together. Oh, yeah? Prove it to me. Did you screw around with anybody else? Oh, if Sally had sex with Bob, okay, then you're free to go. No, I'm on the judge's side here.